Class 8, Chapter 13, Exercise 13.2. Question number 1b. Draw the graphs for the following tables of values with table scales on the axes. Distance traveled by car. Time 6 am 40 km, 7 am 80 km, 8 am 120 km, 9 am 160 km. How much distance did the car cover during the period 7:30 am to 8 am? What was the time when the car had covered a distance of 100 km since its start? 1b. Time is taken on the x-axis and distance on the y-axis. Here the scale is 1 hour is equal to 5 units on x-axis. The time is taken on x-axis. 8 kilometer is equal to 1 unit on y-axis. Distance covered by the car during the period 7:30 to 8 am. 7:30 to 8 am equal to 20 kilometer. This is shown in the graph. And time when car covered 100 kilometer, then the time will be 7:30 am. Question 1c. Draw the graph for the following tables of the values with suitable scales on the axes. Interest on deposit for year. Deposit 1000 rupees 80 on interest, 2000 rupees 160 on interest, rupees 3000 deposit on interest 240, 4000 deposit on interest is 400. Does the graph pass through origin? Second, use the graph to find the interest on rupees 2500 per year. To get interest on of rupees 280 per year, how much money should be deposited? Here the scale 1 unit is equal to rupees 1000 deposit on x-axis. 1 into rupees 10 simple interest on y-axis, that is shown in the graph. 1000 unit 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees, 3000 rupees, 4000 rupees. On the interest 80 rupees, 160 and 240 and 400. Graph passes through the origin. It is shown in the graph. Second, according to the graph, interest on rupees 2500 be rupees 200. That is shown in the graph. Third, according to graph, to get interest rupees 280 per year, rupees 3500 should be deposited. That is shown in the figure.